Welcome to 9651 Route 957, Sugar Grove, Pennsylvania, a well-maintained ranch home located in the desirable Eisenhower School District, offering comfortable one-floor living in a peaceful country setting. This spacious 3-bedroom, 2-bath home features an inviting floor plan designed for both everyday living and entertaining. The bright and welcoming living room is highlighted by a beautiful fireplace, creating the perfect place to relax on cool evenings, while a large picture window fills the room with natural light and showcases views of the surrounding countryside. Hardwood floors add warmth and character to the living room and continue throughout the bedrooms. The eat-in kitchen with dining area provides plenty of space for family meals and gatherings. The home's practical layout offers comfortable living, while the full basement provides abundant storage and excellent potential for additional living space. A second fireplace in the basement creates the opportunity for a cozy family room, recreation area, or entertaining space. Heating is provided by a forced air natural gas furnace, with the added benefit of economical natural gas supplied through a private wellhead arrangement. An oversized 2-car garage offers excellent space for vehicles, tools, and equipment and is heated with a razor heater, making it ideal for year-round use. Situated on a country lot within the Eisenhower School District, this property offers the perfect balance of rural charm and convenience. Whether you're looking for a primary residence, retirement home, or simply more